There's a mainsail with lazy jack and a roller reef Genoa. Also equipped with a bimini top for the comfort of our clients. This is a 2-cabin, 1-bathroom yacht. Which is very reliable, fitted with a Yacht engine. Here one can find the GPS, the depth meter and the speedometer. There's also a radio CD and 2 VHFs. This is the chart table. And this is a living room, which might be small, but can still house 2 guests. This is the front cabin, also for 2 guests, rather comfortably. At the back cabin, 2 more people can sleep. And here is the bathroom of the boat. The Discovery 3000 might be small, but always leaves our clients happy to sail with it again.